Hey guys, it's Annie. Today I'm going to do an empties video. Some of this, I put a lot of stuff in my recycling bin, so I'm going to sort through it as we're talking here. And let me know, do you like these videos? Do you like to see empties? I like to watch empties because I like to see what people really love and what they definitely would recommend after they're using it, or you know, I even want to know if there's something that you use that you hated. You know what I mean? I like those videos. So let me know what you guys think. This I share in every single video, but I'm going to share it again. I probably have a couple of these in here. I love this stuff. This is from Neutrogena. This is the Norwegian formula hand cream, the best hand cream you will ever buy. I wish I would have known about this years ago when I was a hairstylist working in a salon. My hands were dry and cracked and horrible. I had to use steroid cream on them because they were so bad. I wish I would have known about this. My hands are always like, I don't have dry, cracked hands. And I know I live in Florida now, but my skin is still dry here. But even in Illinois, as soon as I started using this, it made a huge difference. I not only use it on my hands, I use it on my feet every night to keep my feet nice and, you know, smooth and all that. So definitely recommend this. I always have backups because when I run out, I need to use this. My daughter uses it, I use it, love it. See, I got another one. I probably have several of them in here. My cotton pads, I love these. I need to actually order some more of these really soon. They're the Shiseido facial cotton. I love these. I know some of you are like, they're so expensive, try this. I've tried other ones. I really like using these, but if you love what you're using, then just keep on using it. This I love. This is the Fresh Soy Cleanser. I just finally finished this one and I had a backup of it. I've been using this for the last couple of years and I really love it. I use it in the morning as my cleanser, and like I said, I just love it. It doesn't dry my face out or anything, and I just feel fresh after I use it, so I definitely love that. I have been using some samples up that I've had, and there's two eye makeup removers that I really love, and I've tried some at the drugstore, but I just do not like them. So the two that I really love is the one from Lancome, and I don't know if I have an empties in here from that. Do I? I don't know. We'll see if I do. And then I have this one from Clinique. This is another one that I really like. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off eye makeup remover. I love this. I hate the balm. I use that balm, that makeup remover. I know a lot of people love that that face makeup balm. I cannot tell you how much I hate it. I think I'm probably one of the only people that hates it. I used that one time and it burned the living hell out of my eyes so bad that I thought I was going to have to go to urgent care or something, and I'm not exaggerating. It freaking burned my eyes. And it said you can take your eye makeup off with it, so something's wrong there. I don't know. But anyways, I do really love this, and I did get it a sample, but I have purchased this. I would purchase it. I have been going through the Lancome right now, so that's the one, but I definitely still, I would use it. I would purchase it and use it. Okay, so one of my favorite foundations is this one from Chanel. This is the Perfect Luminaire Velvet. I bought this back in March or April. I really think it was March when I bought it, and I just used it up, and we're on October 31st, so I just opened up a new one. So that is pretty good. I go between this and the Shiseido, but I use this more often than that one. I love it. When I first used this, I will tell you, I hated it. I got a sample of it and I hated it. I just felt like it accentuated every single pore, everything on my face. There's two things that happened since then. One, my face and my skin. I really worked on my skin, so my skin is much better now. And two, I don't apply it with my fingers, which is what has been recommended. I don't use my fingers. I use a beauty blender. So I use a dampened beauty blender. I just put a little bit on my beauty blender and then I apply it to my face, and it works beautifully. So if you're ever not sure about a foundation to try out, my suggestion is two things. One, go to a makeup counter and ask for a sample. Or two, make sure you're purchasing it from some place that you can at least return it if it doesn't work out for you. That's my advice. And I use beige 10, I believe. I'm gonna see. One thing about them is they don't have a big color selection, so that I don't like. I believe it's beige 10. It's kind of worn out, but I'm pretty sure it's beige 10 is the one that I have. Something else that I love, and honestly I put it in my empties, but it's not quite empty. I'm gonna scrape this out. And this is the lip balm from Emile Corden. Now she sent me a couple of these a year ago. It has to be at least a year. I'm just using it up. I'm just finishing it up. So many people have told me they wanted to try it, but they're like, it's so expensive. It is, but it's lasted me a year. I use it every single night before I go to bed, and I put it on before I put my lipstick on. I love it. It just makes my lips feel soft. I don't have dry, cracked lips. I love this. And there's some other stuff that's out there. Laneige I've heard of. I haven't tried that one. I think that's more expensive than this. And then there's another one too. Oh, I can't think of the name, but I know it's called the Lip Slip or something like that. I tried that one. I hated it. It was really sticky. This is really nice. It's not sticky and it's not real greasy. It's really a nice consistency, and I definitely would recommend it. Love it. And the one that I had, does it say the flavor? This one says Lisa Rose Champagne. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. That was given to me, but I will purchase it. Now I still have another one because she sent me a couple of them, so I don't have to buy it for a while, but I will purchase them because they are really good. This is something else that I love. I've been using for years, and this is the Redken Iron Shape 11. I love this. I use this before I flat iron my hair, and I actually use it before I curl iron my hair. This adds a little bit of shine in your hair and also helps protect your hair. Like I said, this has been a repurchase for years for me. I love it. Mascara. I still love my Chanel Inimitable waterproof mascara. I wish I didn't have to use waterproof. I have to. If I don't, my eyelashes go straight. The only complaint I have with this, I feel like it doesn't last long. I feel like once I get to about 3 weeks, I'm starting to run dry. But mascara, they say you should be replacing it after a month anyway, so I don't know. But then I feel like it starts getting a little bit dried out. But I still love it. I'm still repurchasing it. I always have a backup. As soon as I'm open up another one, I order up another one. So I always have a backup. So I still love it. That's the one that I use. I haven't found anything else that I like more right now. Here's my Lancome. I love this. This is the bifacial eye makeup remover. I love this one. This is the one that I have been repurchasing. I think I have some samples too that came in some gift sets, so that's always nice when they have that, but I definitely would recommend it. It is pricey, but it does last me a long time. So I think it's worth it. It gets my makeup off. It's really important for me because I wear waterproof. So if you don't wear waterproof, maybe you don't have to spend so much money on it. I do, because like I said, waterproof is really hard to get off, and I don't want to tug or anything like that. I don't want to have greasy eyes, so I have to use it. Marc Jacobs Enamored. I love this. This one was, I don't even know because the label is gone, but it's either Moon Glow or Sugar. I love these. I've always repurchased these. They're the best lip gloss, I think, around. I just find them not to be sticky or greasy. They don't, like, I feel like it almost helps my lipstick stay on longer. I don't know. I'm wearing it today. I don't even know which one I'm wearing today, but I have it on top of my lipstick. I love it. Would highly recommend it. That's it for my empties. Thank you so much for joining me. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys real soon.